My name is Mrs. Shalini Sachdev. I am 55 years old and a teacher by profession in government school, Delhi. I am a patient of arthritis for the last 28 years, and this hip joint replacement problem emerged in April end, and it was diagnosed in April end. I met Dr. Thukral, Rajiv Thukral, and he told me I can't have any other treatment except replacement because I was in too much of pain for the last so many 2-3 months. And I got treatment from him. I'm very happy because whatever he said, I've got relief from the pain. I'm able to get up and move around very easily. I'm very thankful to the team of his doctors and very grateful to this hospital also. They have given me a good treatment and to come out of this problem. And again, I will come for my this knee joint replacement when the doctor will recommend me. I'm very thankful to panel of doctors in the hospital for this hip replacement surgery.